Hi, it's me, Psycho. Today I like to talk about ego and its needs. Shall we start? Our natural state is abundant, blissful, and innocent. However, due to our trauma, we created an ego, which is an illusional self, to survive in the old system. Without ego, we felt danger in the old world. Even though our sole purpose of ego was to protect ourselves, in reality, ego was not quite able to execute its purpose because it also suppressed and attacked the vulnerability of our hearts and innocence of our inner child. We are taught to hate our egos as something defiled. This was the mind program called self-torture that was ingrained in us. Therefore, the attack that we thought came from outside was mostly self-attack. That is what trauma does. We were frozen in that time when we had been traumatized, and we continue to live with that thought of being attacked. So we lived in fear 24/7. At the same time, the vibration of the ego was a signal lamp that attracted invaders' continuous vibrational attacks to keep us in the vibrational field of fear. The ego's needs and wants stem from trauma, from feeling of lack and imperfection. We always try to own or bring something outside ourselves to fill in what we think it's missing. We hoped that owning more would fill our lack and incompleteness and confirm the fullness of our existence. However, the more we ask for and own something outside of ourselves through our needs and wants, the more the illusion of owning is amplified, because no matter what we get, we never feel enough and complete by owning. So only the emptiness of owning remains. We would never be able to feel enough and complete by bringing something else from outside ourselves, because we genuinely want to feel the wholeness that is the connection with our natural state. We lacked the perception that we are abundant, blissful, and then innocent. Thus, judging or ignoring our ego does not allow us to heal our trauma. The belief that we are not enough and incomplete due to the pain and hurt. Instead, understanding it will help us let the thoughts go and allow our natural state to emerge. Remember, our ego stems from trauma, and it tries to protect our vulnerability and innocence. So, if we judge our ego, we are attacking and bullying the traumatized ourselves again and again. then it is exactly a self-torture program. We are letting go of that program by understanding our trauma and its mechanism. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in another section.